Hey everyone, it's Renee from Sweet Pea Labs here with a preview of the Continents and Oceans travel book. I'm starting out here in the slide deck that's provided in the product. This is an optional slide deck, but it's available so that you can go along with both the imagined scenario that we start out this lesson with and with the pages of the book as the students go through the booklet. Starting out here in the slide deck, we're going to explore the world. So it says, let's explore the world. I personally like to start a lot of my lessons with something called an imagine scenario, where I get the kids prepped to kind of imagine or put themselves in a place mentally where we're going to go explore something. And so I feel like they're ready to explore and learn something new. And so for this particular lesson in this particular booklet, we're using the book Hurry and the Monarch for our imagined scenario. Here's a picture of the book right here. This is included in one of my thumbnails in the store, so you can see that as well to reference. It's also online. There's an online YouTube reading, but it's available at your local library as well. So I'm using Hurry and the Monarch, which is a story of a turtle named Hurry and a monarch. And the monarchs travel the world because, you know, they migrate. And Hurry is just super happy with being at home, and he doesn't understand why the butterfly is traveling all over the world. And typically this book is used for butterfly migration and butterfly life cycle. And so this would be a really good piggyback lesson on top of those, or you could even have all of that in one big project-based learning unit. But it's a good way to connect all of those pieces of learning and have the students discover the world as well. So creating my imagined scenario, I have a getting started page here that explains the imagined scenario, where I got that idea, and sort of how it goes along with the story. And the imagined scenario sort of question is, imagine we are Hurry and are traveling with the monarch to see the world. I wonder what we would discover. So that's getting the kids thinking about what in the world would they discover if they traveled the world. And then we go into our Continents and Oceans travel book to see what exactly we would discover in the world. Each of the pages of the book have a picture of the continent and then where it is exactly on the map, and then how to spell it, and then some sort of small, short fact about that continent. So you can see all of the different continents here have different facts that are sort of age appropriate to this particular Continents and Oceans travel book. When we get down in here to the oceans, we have different types of animals that live in that particular ocean. All the way to a final question at the end that says, how would you travel the world? So sort of thinking about transportation as well, right? Like, are you going to take a boat and go from South America to North America? Are you going to ride a bike across the ocean? You know, sorts of questions like that could be addressed with that last page. And so when you purchase the product, you will get two different sets of PDFs. One PDF includes Hurry and the Monarch in the story. So you'll see on those pages, you'll see the Monarch, and then you'll see pictures of Hurry, and they're traveling the world together. When you look through here, it looks like the pages are a bit messed up, but they're not. I have figured out how to organize the pages to make the booklet as easy to assemble as possible. So I'm going to make the screen a little bit bigger here. When you print this out front to back, you will come up with a packet that looks like this. And so all you need to do to assemble your booklet is grab that packet and fold it in half. The pages are already nested and they are already in order, and they are all facing the correct way. So you'll grab your packet out of the copy machine, fold it in half. There you go. You can staple it to make it stay, but all of the pages are already in order and your book is assembled. That was super important to me because taking the time to assemble a booklet and organize pages in order and then stable, that's just, for me, that's way too much time. So I'm pretty proud of the fact that I figured out how to create the booklet so that it's easily printable, already nested, and easy to assemble. So again, 2 different versions of the book, one with Hurry and the Monarch, one without those pictures on there. So if you're not into the Imagine scenario, and that's cool, then you can do it plain, completely up to you. So take a look at the Continents and Oceans travel book. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have all my product previews on there, and I'm also posting tutorials as well for using Google Apps to make things for our Teachers Pay Teachers store. So enjoy the product. Take care.